Hello and welcome to the Encode IO, the ERP channel. This channel is dedicated to businesses focusing on technology for automating business processes. This video today is going to be an introductory video on Odoo's pricing, and we will try and bring some clarity over it. It is important for every business, whether you are a small startup or a large enterprise. Odoo offers a flexible and modular ERP solution that can scale with your business needs. Basically, we'll be covering three segments here, but before I get into it, let me just tell you there's a lot of confusion that goes around Odoo's pricing, especially when it comes to the hosting options, the country you are in, and the number of applications that you are going to use. So these are the few things that we have to keep in mind, but we are going to break it all down for you step by step. This video is divided into a couple of sections. The very first section, let's say we'll start with that Odoo versions before understanding the pricing. So before we try and understand the pricing model, let's understand the Odoo versions that those are available. So Odoo is an ERP platform that includes a suite of integrated business applications, components like CRM, sale, inventory, accounting, e-commerce, manufacturing, and there are roughly around 75 odd applications which can be helpful to businesses. The real beauty of the Odoo lies in its modularity. You only pay for what you need. Start with one application and you can add as many you want as your business grows. Now there are two main editions of Odoo, and it is important for us to know them, that how it will affect the Odoo's pricing. Okay, so the very first thing is Odoo Community, and the second one is called Odoo Enterprise. Now Odoo Community, as the name suggests, it is free, it is open for community. It's an open source, it's a self-hosted one, but with limited application. This means that you can easily download Odoo Community version from the Odoo website. You can host it on your own server. You can play around with it, but the number of applications are limited in this version. Okay, so this is what a community version is all about. This is completely free, so no pricing is going to have an impact over it. The second thing is the Odoo Enterprise. Now Odoo Enterprise is a paid version with some extra features which will provide you full support from Odoo, and a variety of hosting options are available in Odoo Enterprise. We will talk about all of this in detail soon in the next coming part of the video. So for now, we just have to remember these two things, Odoo Community and Odoo Enterprise. Now we will come quickly to the Odoo pricing structure, how the pricing is decided in Odoo. Now Odoo pricing is based on three key components, first being the number of users, second being the number of applications that you are going to use in it, third, which type of hosting you're opting for in order to run your Odoo within the office, within the business, within the enterprise. Before I go further, let me also tell you that Odoo's pricing is different according to the country you are in. Let me take an example for the sake of this video from India, as we are here. This will help us understand, and it will also help us compare the pricing Odoo has to offer across the countries, and later we can compare it with India. Now switching to the plan part. In India, Odoo is offering three core plans. The first one being one app free. This is what they call their plan as, one app free. What do you get in one app free? One app free means you will get this instance of Odoo completely free for unlimited number of users, but there will be only one application that you can have access to, be it a CRM, be it your accounting, be it inventory or whatever, sales, etc. Now this is their initial plan. Okay, so you don't have to pay anything, you just have to go or the Odoo website. You just have to register yourself over there. I will give a demo in the later part of this video, so that I can also make you see how it will appear like, and how your company is going to get registered over there, what's going to be the URL, etc. and etc. The second plan that comes into action is called standard. Now the standard package, or the standard pricing, is of 580 rupees per user per month. 580 rupees means roughly around $7 for all Odoo applications, and the hosting option that you're going to get with the standard package is Odoo Online. Odoo Online means simply you will be creating an account on odoo.com, and your instance or your CRM will be created on odoo.com. The third one comes as custom. Now custom price is rupees 890, which is roughly around $11 per user per month. This includes all standard features which are available in the standard package, plus Odoo SH. Those who do not know about Odoo SH is another kind of a hosting. As I've told you before, that there are variety of options or hosting options are available. So this is one of those. We will be talking about this in detail again. Odoo Custom is available and it can be implemented on premise. It will give you access of Odoo Studio. It will give you option of establishing multiple companies across this instance, and you will be able to use the external APIs. So the custom package or the custom pricing will help you tweak your Odoo instance in order to meet all your business requirements. Of course, you will be needing some modification at some point in time. This custom package will help you do that, because over here you can use your own hosting, let's say AWS or Google Cloud or Odoo SH, where you have a complete control over it. So these are the three plans, and these were the basic pricing mechanism. Now let's understand each plan with an example, and keep this in mind that the license fee we are discussing is yearly. This is an yearly plan pricing, not monthly. Monthly plans will be a little more expensive than the mentioned ones. I will share the screenshot of this as well. So as we have already seen the example and everything, now let me give you an example of how this pricing will work, considering few of the scenarios we have discussed before, like number of users, applications, and the costing part. So let me just help you do that. So in standard plan, let's say you are having 5 users. You are using the following app, let's say sales, invoicing, inventory, or let's say for that matter all the applications. This will be hosted on Odoo Online. For this setup, you will end up paying 580 rupees multiplied by the number of users you are having, which is 5 users. So you'll end up paying 2900 rupees roughly. And you have this is of course the monthly price, okay, for 5 users. In the same scenario, when we go to the custom plan, keeping everything else same, let's say we again have 5 users coming in. We are using all the applications, but in this case the hosting is you have an option to choose it Odoo Online, which is the basic hosting. You have a option to choose Odoo SH, or you can host this Odoo instance on your on-premise, like you can establish multiple companies into it, external APIs, as we discussed this before. For explanation on these topics, we will have a different video available. The link for that video is available in the I button, which might be coming around here on the top, and the description is also the link is also available in the description below. For this setup, you will end up paying roughly around 890 rupees multiplied by the number of users 5. So this will cost you around 4450 as of the date of shooting this video. So just for the reference, let me also show you the difference in Odoo pricing worldwide. Let's say out there in Germany, Odoo pricing is as shown here on the screen right now. Okay, so yearly standard plan would cost you around 19 euros, which is 1894 rupees per user, as compared to 580 rupees per user here in India. So in this case, with the custom plan, where we get it for 29 euros, which is 289, which is roughly around 2891 rupees per user, compared to just 890 rupees per user here in India. Okay, so this can be the broad classification. Then the third part, as we said, that we'll be discussing the Odoo hosting options. Now here where the things are getting interesting. Your Odoo hosting choice has a direct impact on how much you will end up paying. Okay, the three main hosting options which are available. The first one is the basic one, which you will get in standard also, which is called Odoo Online. It is hosted by Odoo itself. You can simply go, you can create your account, you can start your Odoo CRM immediately without having to paying much for the hosting separately. You don't have to pay separately for it. Then it's simplest and fastest to deploy. You'll be getting automatic upgrades, limited to only Odoo applications. No third-party application or custom code can be implemented on Odoo online hosting. Okay, so all those who are planning for standard hosting or a standard pricing will not be able to use third-party applications, or you'll not be able to customize your code. So this is one of the drawback for Odoo online, but it comes handy. Over here, of course, the applications are available. As far as the cost part is concerned, I don't think so there's much we have to discuss. Simple 580 rupees per user per month licensing would apply. Second comes is the Odoo SH. Now Odoo SH is considered as a platform as a service by Odoo. It allows for custom applications to be built, third-party applications to be integrated, and the development workflows. It gives you the access for doing all of these stuff. Hosted on Odoo's infrastructure, but it's a Git-based deployment. Okay, so it's an Odoo SH. The third possible option is the self-hosted or the self-hosting option for Odoo instance. You can host Odoo on your own server or a third-party cloud provider like AWS or maybe DigitalOcean or Google Cloud. You pay only for the Odoo enterprise license per user, number of per app pricing. All apps are included in this self-hosting version, because of course if you'll be going for self-hosting version, you'll be going for the custom plan. Okay, so hosting and maintenance costs are your responsibility, and you can fully customize the system, and Odoo has got nothing to do with it. Safety, security and upgrade, you have to do it all manually. So this was all about the Odoo pricing. Whether you are a startup or with a tight budget or growing business ready to scale, there's an Odoo solution available for you. Just be sure to match your hosting need with your budget and technical capabilities, plus the requirements you are having as of now. If you found this video useful, try considering giving us a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel. Thank you.